Today I will be conducting an experiment. It is fair to say that over the years this facility has played host to quite a lot of off-the-books experiments, all in the name of medical science. I'm sure you'll understand. However, this experiment is different. Today we're going to have an endurance test of these 12 Parkside cutting discs that I picked up in a local German budget supermarket, Lidl, for $2.99. The question is, how many of these is it going to take to cut this off? Like I briefly mentioned, 12 of these 125mm cutting discs, metal cutting discs, came in this packet for $2.99. So this experiment ain't costing a lot of money today. So to calculate the cost of this experiment, we've come over to the whiteboard of hard sums. $2.99 divided by 12 equals almost F all. So this experiment will establish how close to F all we can get with these cutting discs, how few it's going to take to cut the chuck off. The grinder I'm going to have to use for this task is the least powerful one I own, this Parkside Performance $34.99 grinder that I bought a few months back. Simple fact is, it's the only one I have with the guard suitable for these discs. The other ones I have are 115mm guards on them. This has got 125 and it'll suit these discs very well. I'm also going to use a fully charged 8A Parkside battery to give it the best chance humanly possible. Also at this point urge you to wear a pair of safety glasses and wear a pair of gloves if you're doing this job. And if you're watching this video and enjoy it, I would urge you to hit the like button, thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. Let the surgery begin. I shall be gentle. Trust me, I'm a doctor. So here we go. Disc number 1. I'm going to try and be as methodical and surgical as I can here. Not exactly a knife through butter, it's more like a spoon through concrete. This one's getting very low already, and they do kick off a lot of dust. I noticed that about the Parkside discs. They throw off a lot of debris very quickly. Didn't go deep enough there. And it's also, we'll have to say, one disc down. I don't think we're going to do any more with that. So we'll move on to disc 2. We'll have to put on another disc, I think. We'll try and cut some of this other material just with the rest of it. Oh, that's it. Definitely that's it. Definitely. And always remove the battery when you're changing the disc. And we're going to go for disc 3 now. I'm going to get this one off because it's starting to disintegrate. I think we need a new disc to continue. There's slightly more material in that than the other ones I took off. However, not as much the same. Here we are. Disc 4. I've been so gentle with this grinder. Anybody in the comments section thinks I'm pushing it hard, they're not correct. It might be time for another disc soon. I'm taking these discs as far as I can. I'm not trying to be wasteful with them at all. I think you'll agree there's not much left there. So that's disc 4 down. And we're rightly down the chuck now, so we're getting there. At the cost of these discs, I could probably donate the full packet to the job. Not close enough. We need a new disc. We'll have to get it off a little bit early. That means I think we're on to disc number 6. I think that's where we're at. Here we are. Finally we've got it. And we have a little bit more superficial damage to the body than we like. And we have a little bit more damage to the threads than we like, but we'll have to take it. It is what it is. Just a little bit of that stuff. We don't need much. I'm calling that fixed. So let's survey the aftermath. We have 1 bar left in the 8-amp battery. It did it. The grinder did it with care. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's half a one on the grinder. So 5.5 discs out of the 12 pack to take the chuck off the drill. And if you look at the horrendous mess that this has made, this is all dust from these cheap discs. And there's half of the Parkside disc factory up my nose, so maybe wearing a mask would have been a better idea as well. So to sum up, Parkside discs, cheap, yes. Nasty, possibly. They made quite a mess in here, as you've seen. Are they worth it? I'm going to say yes, because I still got half a packet left and they done the job for half the price of $2.99, which is less than $1.50. So I can't complain. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.